Ladies and gentlemen, it just keeps happening and happening and happening again. This is from March 22nd of 2025.
I was about to say.
Breaking. Massive fire breaks out in Epcot at France Pavilion in Walt Disney World, adding to parks mounting safety concerns. And some of you out there are saying, hey, pro, it's March, dude. You're late. You know, you're a little bit late to the story. Okay, sure we are. Because guess what? May 12th, 2025, another fire breaks out at Epcot. Flames and smoke seen in popcorn cart near Imagination Pavilion. You know, real fire and scaring people. And make them, you know, people don't pay thousands of dollars to go be scared by fire and fury. Well,
wow.
December 6th. Yep. More smoke, more fire. From WDW News Today by Jamie Rowland. Another fire breaks out near the France Pavilion in Epcot. And you know it's bad when every website is now reporting this as another fire. It says another fire recently broke out in Epcot. This marks the second fire in the France Pavilion during 2025. But we're to tell you it marks the third big fire in Epcot, a theme park where people are not supposed to see fires unless they're fake. What's happening here, Disney? Did you release the dragon float again? In a TikTok posted by user DisneyCast84, a fire on the top of a display crate recently broke out in Epcot's France Pavilion just behind Le Vin de Chef de France, the kiosk, Le Cachon, which serves French wines, champagne, and specialty beverage. Commenters claim the fire was started with a discarded cigarette, although that is not confirmed. Smoking is banned inside the Walt Disney World theme parks. Guys, I'm telling you, I know that the French have a problem, and to our French viewers, I apologize for saying so, but I know the French have a problem with smoking, but I didn't know it extended into the pavilions of Epcot. I find this somewhat humorous now to imagine that all of the flames in Epcot that keep going over and over again in the year 2025 are started by French people smoking themselves inside the pavilion.
You know, when it's ages 3 and under and they're not paying for a ticket, then Disney tends to turn the other way.
I know people like spicy food, but not flaming hot spicy food.
Yeah, take it to Mexico.
Food festivals. It's all the food festivals and all the different chefs that are trying to experiment, coming up with all these different recipes that are not even that good. Watch the vloggers, guys, at the parks. They're spitting out the food. They're like, oh, this is disgusting. Nothing tastes good. I don't even know what's going on. These are during festivals, though.
I will find out very soon. Drunk 3PO and I are heading to Festival of the Holidays for park hopping to do
take
a
extra napkins and wet wipes with you.
Yeah,
Marv.
we're gonna have to. But I mean, maybe this is like a Les Miserables situation where this is like a rebellion going on. It's red, the blood of angry men.
I think we have some video here of the incident in question right there. There you go. You can see that.
What?
It's
No. Are we sure this isn't an? Oh, well, there is real fire there. I see that now.
This is Epcot calling for aid.
Here we are to save the day.
The beacons are lit. The beacons are lit.
Unfortunately for Epcot, because it happened in the French Pavilion, they immediately announced, "We surrender! We surrender!"
Oh,
what if I land to a bicycle?
Yeah.
Epcot calls for aid, and Animal Kingdom will answer.
Jeez.
The French lost again.
I mean, their food is not that great. I'm really disappointed in this. And then what is the current one? The Festival of the Holidays.
Festival of the Holidays, yeah.
Yeah, they got all this really bad food. If you watch the vloggers, watch the people that are going there, they are spitting it out because it's disgusting. I don't know what is going on with the culinary.
You beat me to it. I was about to put that one up on the screen because it's so funny.
Tomorrow has been selected as the new CEO. Oh, that's great. That's great. The only reason we can laugh about this is because everybody's fine. There's nobody hanging out in that box down there. There's no danger. I mean, there could be danger if they didn't deal with it, and it appears like they've handled this now. But man, what in the world is going on?
It had to have been a cigarette, right?
Does this white smoke signal a new CEO?
Exactly. The other thing is the fire that we saw. Was it last year? That was from a refrigerator unit. That was also behind the France Pavilion.
Yeah,
right.
The backstage area.
Second.
That was Black Smoke, so we didn't have a new CEO at the time.
Yeah.
It was rising out of the backstage areas, and then we had the popcorn cart with the visible flames, and now this though I don't think I can blame Disney infrastructure on this, because this had to have been somebody throwing a cigarette out, which, by the way, don't smoke cigarettes in the theme park. You're not allowed to. So.
You mean you want to tell people to be respectful of theme parks and not do whatever they please? Wow,
well,
that's a high, a very tall order there, Marvin. Imagine that, people following the rules and respecting private property.
You see, MJ, that's the thing, and Marvin, to your point, yeah, I mean, maybe we can't blame this on maintenance, but we would expect Disney to have a little bit more oversight over guests and smoking and vaping and everything like that. I mean,
we can confirm.
They clamped down.
We can confirm, ladies and gentlemen, that of all the individuals out there that might be blamed for the surrender of France, at least the Pavilion of France, Aldo Casabona was not one of them. Well, 199, it was not me.
I, for one, am going to be looking into the whereabouts of Drunk 3PO during the events of this fire, because first he's Winnie the Pooh, and now he's lighting the France Pavilion on fire. I think it's very possible this might be
anybody who would trip Winnie the Pooh. I mean, really is. I mean, this is not as bad as that. So yeah, I can see it 100%.
Also, is this the kitchen staff from Chefs de France
it
that is
like
coming out here to take care of this?
Yeah, it looks like it, because I was looking at their coats and with their attire. It does look like the cooks.
Why on earth would it be them that comes out here? Their restaurant is across the street from this. There's nobody closer with a fire extinguisher.
Now, wait a minute. Marvin, are you telling me that just because there's a giant body of water sitting directly next to the fire, that you have questions why they had to walk fire hydrants across all of the crowds and everything? Listen, the people in the boat could just splash this. What in the world? Splash it, people. Turn the engines on and splash it.
Well, they got rid of Splash Mountain, bro.
Oh, no, you're right.
You can't have a log ride without any water.
You can't have an Epcot fire without no water.
All right. Well, Epcot, we'd like for you to stop being on fire.
Thanks for watching That Park Plays News. For more information, consider checking out www.thatparkplace.com. And don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and send this out on your favorite social media accounts.